Wait a second. This one caught me off guard. It's actually that good. I didn't think it'd be this good, but the moment I used it, I got it. It's got that perfect mix of style and function. And no wonder it's all over the internet. Seriously, go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hold up. You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. So many people are giving this 5 stars, and after trying it, I get it. It feels premium, works perfectly, and just makes life easier. You can tell it's made well. If you've seen this around, it's for a reason. Check the link below to see why it's trending. Wait a second, this one caught me off guard. It's actually that good. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than it is. Before it's too late, check the link in the description. You're gonna love it.
Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard, and I totally get why. It's rare that something this affordable feels this premium.